With this initiative, we seek to open the doors of opportunity to all Williams students and to make sure that they can take full advantage of everything from deep intellectual engagement to jobs, of course, and athletics and music and performance and all the many things that students love to do while they're here at Williams.
We don't think a student's financial circumstances should limit their ability to pursue their passions, and that's why we're leveling the playing field through financial aid so that all students can take full advantage of a Williams education. We're doing this through a new approach we call All Grant, and we're proud that Williams was the first college in the country to offer this innovative financial aid model that puts student opportunity first.
Yeah, All Grant is great because it replaces the traditional financial aid aspects like loans and work study with grant funding, which really frees up the student a lot, actually. And so formerly, if you might have had to work a work-study job, now you have the flexibility to either work that work-study job or pursue another extracurricular interest.
Finances can be pretty tricky, and so All Grant just gives me the opportunity to come to Williams and not have to worry about any expenses or taking out loans, anything like that.
Students are given a personal expenses grant that helps cover any expenses they incur during the semester. It eliminates the work requirement on campus, so it's really just like a comprehensive overhaul to the financial aid system that helps make students' lives easier.
For any Williams student who receives financial aid, All Grant means no loans, no campus job requirements, and no summer jobs. Just grants that don't need to be paid back. And Williams All Grant covers many of the hidden costs of attending college. Things like textbooks and course materials, music lessons, summer storage, and health insurance. All of it covered by your financial aid package.
In my role as a college counselor, one of the things that we look at really closely when we're dealing with students who have need, a little bit of need, a lot of need, is we look to see like how strong the financial aid programs are at schools. And if you have a program like Williams, right, where you have full aid, no loan, books are covered, like all of those opportunities are there. Like it puts Williams at the top of so many lists for our kids who need aid, because you just know they're gonna get a great package and it's gonna be a regular decision, it'll be there an early decision. So it's a big differentiator for us.
The All Grant program has allowed me to be a little more in tuned and in the moment when it comes to my experiences here on campus. Having the financial burden taken away has just allowed me to be even more present and engaged.
Paying for college is not something you want to think about while you're in school. And I think I'm able to put that on the back burner, and that's not something that I'm thinking about. And I am more committed to my academics. I'm able to be more enveloped by my academics because I'm not worried about all these other things like paying for school or what job I'm going to work during the week, during the semester.
Granted, I would have been working regardless of the All Grant program, but because of the grant program, I've been able to really be dedicated with my time. I've been able to be choosing what I want to spend my time on.
From all of my friends also that I know, like the financial burden that's lifted off of them from this program itself has done wonders to the ability that they have to be here. And a lot of them are just like, I really feel grateful for the fact that I'm here and I don't have to worry about those things.
The impact of the All Grant program in its first year was remarkable, and overwhelmingly aided students told us it had a major positive effect on their Williams experience.
It's a core value of this institution to provide access and affordability. It has been for a long time in the college's history. This initiative builds on that history and goes even further in providing opportunity for students and removing barriers to full participation in everything that Williams has to offer. We're so grateful to the Williams community, parents, and alumni who have supported Williams' ability to be generous with our students in a way that allows doors to open for everybody.